I bet you can catch me, Noodle. そういうことでしょ、トチ?
Huh, such an idiot.
Oh shit.
Oh no, please don't do that. No, please!
You fucking moron.
I won't hesitate to do that if you call an idiot Noodle and 2D again. Oh, and Noodle, please get off 2D.
Wakata. A few minutes later. これは私をバカに問うための質問。Shit!
Well, hello guys, Ace is here! Oh, hello Ace. Where have you been all this time?
Nah, just went to the store to buy some food to eat now.
Well, great idea, thank you.
Where's Noodle and Marduk?
Oh well, Noodle is drawing Marduk in the sea. Judy, are you okay?
Oh, yeah, don't worry.
Why don't you go with the others?
No thanks. Rossello, help! This is called revenge with the shit.
Noodle, I'm coming!
Oh, Judy. You're definitely not fine. What's wrong? You know you can tell me everything to me. Just, tell me what happened. I can swim. Oh, Judy, please, you can swim. And also, I watched you many times. I think you're pretty good. Don't tell me lies. I'm scared of someone. And what's that someone? Let's say that, you know him pretty well. And it's your brother.
Wait, are you talking about Marduk? Oh my goodness, why?
What the bloody hell makes you feel scared of him? Let's say that he doesn't treat me the best. And sometimes actually hits me very bad. But Ace, I beg you to don't say what I just say to you, to Marduk, please. Please. Oh, don't worry, D. I won't. Thank you so much, Ace. You always make me feel good. And actually, you're really helping me a lot. Oh, don't worry, D. I'll always be there for you.
So, 2D, wanna draw more duck?
Hell yeah. And after getting prepared, yes, sorry, me lazy. Let's go, fella.
Alright, Blueberry Boy.
The end. Thanks you so much for watching.